Good morning, everybody. Today, we're going to talk about some simple formatting skills that everybody should know using Microsoft Word's online application. Most students here at the college use the online version of Word, so that's the one that we're going to focus on. In future videos, I'll show you different variations with the desktop app, but right now, simple formatting using the online version. The three skills we'll focus on today are double spacing, centering your title, and indenting your paragraphs. Almost every professor will want you to do those three things in your paper, regardless of whether you're using MLA or APA formatting, although you should always check with your professor to see if they might have some specific different preferences for your formatting. Let's take a look now. I've written a partial essay. You will see that it's not a complete essay, but it will give us the opportunity to look at some of these skills using the online version of Word. First of all, we already have the font in the type and the size that we want, so we're not worrying with that today. It's already in 12-point Calibri. It has the name, the professor's name, class title, all of that already there. And you might look at that and say, well, it looks like it's double-spaced. But can you check? Let's move up to get to that formatting ribbon. We move the mouse up to the top of the screen. And what I find is the easiest way is to click on these three dots here. And where it says line spacing, let's see what happens if we click the 1. It gets slightly smaller. We don't want that. Line spacing again, and we click 2. 2 is for double. Now it's double spaced. The title, I've already given a space above and below, so we don't need to do anything with that. But for the body of the essay, we do need to double space that. So again, move the mouse to the top, click those 3 lines, line spacing. By the way, you click those, you can only hover your mouse. You don't have to click, but you can. And 2. And it's immediately double spaced. Our next task will be to center our title. Notice that the title is nice and short. Titles usually should be nice and short. Centering the title means that it needs to be directly in the middle of the page, not kind of in the middle, precisely in the middle. Don't try to do that manually. Get the computer to do it for you. Highlight it. I don't see the options here that immediately pop up. So I go to the ribbon at the top and I look for this icon that says text alignment. And I click on it. Right now, you see it is left justified. It's immediately to the left. We want it to be centered. Align center. Click on that. The computer puts it precisely in the center of the page where we want it. The rest of the essay is also left justified, and we want it to be left justified. The left side should be nice and even. The right side can be a little bit jagged. That's ideal. For most professors, I should say. So the next thing and the last thing to do is indent. When you indent your paragraph, you should use the tab key. The tab key, if you're using a keyboard, which most of you are for this stage of the essay, is on the left side of your keyboard, TAB, and you tap it 1 time and it goes in. Hit delete to do it again. 1 tap, tab. The next paragraph, I do the same thing. Tab, 1 time. Only use the tab key to indent your paragraphs. If you use something else, most professors can tell. We look at a lot of papers. We can tell when it's not quite the right spacing, and we want it to be uniform. So those are your 3 skills. Just to review, The ribbon is here at the top. To double space, you click the 3 dots and click on line spacing. To center, text alignment, center. Well, turns out that does the opposite. Center. And to indent, the tab key 1 time. I hope that was helpful, and stay tuned for future videos where we will take a look at things like the hanging indent, how to bold and italicize, and when you should do that. And also when you might want to change your font style, because there is a time when you might want to do that. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon. Bye.